In this video, you'll discover 9 different polymer clay colours I recommend for beginners and why. I'll list them all at the end of the video. Please like and subscribe to support this channel. Hi everyone, I'm Mel, the sculptress and artist from Two Feathers Gallery based in Australia. I really do recommend starting with a sample pack, which includes your primary colours and black and white. And with these colours, just like paint, you can virtually mix any colour that you need. This sample pack here contains cadmium red hue, zinc yellow hue, cobalt blue hue, black and white. Another tip is to buy a larger quantity of both black and white clay, as generally you'll use more of these two colours, especially white as it's so versatile and can make various lighter shades of colours, and you can also add your own colouring agents such as alcoholic ink. When you're starting out, I also recommend throwing in some metallic gold and silver clay, especially if you're making jewellery and you want the metallics in the clay to match the findings that you're using in your jewellery. Just gives it a nice seamless finish. Pearl is also another really great clay to work with, as you can add it to other colours and give them this really beautiful effect, which is this pearlescent finish. If there was one more clay that I would suggest, it would be a translucent clay, and there's many reasons for that. Well, number one, it's totally cool, you can see through it, yay. And it works really well if you add a tiny bit to other clays just to help condition it a little bit easier and faster. On top of that, translucent clay can also help other clays to look less plastic. Just make sure you don't go over a 1:1 ratio. The 9 colours of polymer clay I recommend are in the Primo Sculpey brand, but you can find them in other brands too. And they include cadmium red hue, zinc yellow hue, cobalt blue hue, black, white, 18 karat gold, silver, pearl, and translucent. Here's a summary of what we've learned. The 9 different polymer clay starter colours and their advantages. Clay mixes the same as paint does. I highly recommend you start with a sampler pack. You may like to purchase a larger quantity of white polymer clay. Pearl clay creates a beautiful finish. Translucent clay has many benefits and uses. Please like and subscribe to keep watching and enjoying the basics of polymer clay and other fun projects on this channel. I really appreciate your support, and I'll catch you in the next class.